I don't even know where I'm at on this. Maybe this camera works. My other camera finally died. What are you doing? Ripping up stuff over here? I don't even know. You can't even see anything. Can't even see this thing even in the correct way. I have no idea. You can't even see anything. If anyone wants a dog, they can have a dog. Because I don't want these dogs anymore. I don't want to deal with their shit. Especially this one's a freaking real idiot. It's getting worse by the day. She's alright. This one, someone else can deal with their shit. Tangling me up again. Look at this shit. All fucking tangled up. They don't know what the hell they're doing. They don't listen. Come on, I'm trying to freaking untangle this. My freaking hand's gonna fall off. God fucking damn it. Look at this tangled mess. They don't put mulch in front of our place. The big mulch staff's gonna go on the condo land. Gonna have the newsletter. What else is going on? Oh, Bozo hit my truck. He doesn't even say anything about it. The left side bedside is pushed in now. Decent amount. What's that, trash? Anything good? It's 90 degrees again. This place still sucks. People still waste your time. I had old videos of that. People wasting your time and what does this guy to go through to get rid of something for $10 to $50 around here, and no one shows up. But that's just pointless. What's this? We got like sprinklers all fucked up over here. This whole place is just falling apart. And it's at a point where you already been through the same problems, and you ask yourself, why the fuck do you even want to continue? It's only going to get worse. And then the main problem is it's going to take you out. This place will take you out. Everything else will take you out. And then finally this place will take you out. So if you want to think of it that way or not, you're just wasting your time. It's 90 fucking degrees. This dog just fucking stepped on the other dog's shit. You know this, you can't get anything stupider. The people are stupid, these fucking dogs are stupid. You just can't get anything more stupid. And I'm just tired of it, because it's never going to change. Oh cool, it's sprinkler time. Yeah, it's got to be the worst of everything. Worst dogs, worst people, worst climate. And where does it end? I only got a couple things showing up here. Seriously, this time to bail. This time to bail before this place takes you out. Seriously. Take out all your stuff. Everything you do will get reversed. And yeah, we're gonna do some videos and shit when it's cooler fixing stuff. But then, yeah, the bozo guy just crashed his truck into mine and doesn't say anything about it. So just fuck it, I'm not gonna fix it. Just let it fall apart. I'm out about $700 now or more in repairs, including $700 last time, and this is pointless. That's that. Everything's okay though. It'll be all my fault. And my camera broke. It sucks, and I think I just broke it more. Oh, another car coming at the speed. Always someone down the same fucking road that you want to be in this place. Especially when it gets 90 degrees again. Shit is. These people will run your dog right over. Not that. I don't know. Dogs will probably enjoy it. They're fucked up. Seriously, two messed up dogs. What a bad pick. Yeah, we don't get any mulch in front of our place though. They're instructed. They say that we're the mulch stuff. It's kind of funny. A pallet. Someone got something big. Then they put this shit here, so you can't even see when you back out. Kind of glad I don't have it. It all washes away during the rain season. God damn, is it fucking hot out here. That's my rant video though. I gotta dig up another camera. My PowerShot 150 is officially dead. After I thought it was gonna be dead about 1.5 years ago. Died from water intrusion. Why wouldn't it? You know, we live in a water climate. Yeah, look at this shit though, they don't say anything. Get this going. Over there. All that got paint taken off. And it's pushed in. This whole fender lip is pushed in. More so right over here. It's pushed in. You see the wrinkle mark right there. It's nice, huh? That's what I live with. Remember the window incident? And there's my camera. I think I just blew the screen on it being stupid. What I did, there was something actually caught in the microphone, so I actually put rubbing alcohol down there. But I guess some got in between the screen. I didn't even think about it. I turned it on and poof, went the screen. Everything else seems to work though. It records and everything. It takes pictures. Damn, so I got stuff in the screen. How stupid am I? Should I buy a screen for it though? And then attempt to fix it. I think I just have to take these small screws off. I could put a new screen. I don't know. I don't like to give up. Maybe I can finally fix a camera after breaking so many of them. I need like super small screwdrivers too to take out these things. These little tiny screws. And I don't know where this ribbon cable goes. They always fuck that shit up though. I tried to take apart the screen too and fix it, but obviously it gives a blank white image now. I think I cracked it, did I? Yeah, I did. I freaking shattered that. Oh, man. What a dumbass. I fixed the damn speaker too, but then I broke this. Or if you have a Canon ELPH IS-150 or similar, and you have a parts camera, yeah, send it. No one likes my stuff anyway. They'll be happy when my camera breaks. They go, good. Thumbs down guy won't have any work to do then. He can go quit. He can go get a real deal. What a nightmare, man. Everything just crashes around here. It's time to just leave. Oh, and you may notice too, the shutter little cover thing broke on it. And how do you think that happened? Well, I just so happened to have this camera on a tripod. I do have a tripod, right? But someone took it. I trash found it. They use it all the time. So it was on a tripod. They come by, they knock it. My camera goes falling, smash. And it breaks the shutter. That was about 2 years ago. Sounds familiar, right? What I just show you. So we got water on my microphone. Let's see if it records. Does it?